Kamusta Dalis and welcome back. If you watched my last video, you know that I made a heart-shaped top for my Barbie. Well, this is kinda the part 2, but instead of clothes, we will be making a heart-shaped bag. This is such an easy project to make, so take out your materials and let's get started. First, draw a simple heart onto a paper. It should be around 3 to 4 centimeters long. Just the right size for Barbie to carry. Cut that out and trace 2 hearts to your fabric. Now this is for later, but take out your lace or ribbon, whatever you have, and cut it into thin strips. Set that aside for now and start hemming the heart's edges. For this, you kinda want to hem using a running stitch. After that is done, take out your lace and stitch it on the heart, pleating the lace as we go. Next, take out the second heart and like before, hem its edges using a running stitch, except for the top part of the heart. After folding the edges, attach the 2 hearts together. Leaving only the top part open. Next is the straps. Take out an old disposable mask and cut its string. For this bag, you will need 2 straps, one long and one short. Now you're probably wondering why they're different. That's because I wanted to turn this into a convertible bag, where if you want Barbie to wear a shoulder bag, you can just hide the short strap inside, and vice versa. Lastly, I added bow at the center, and our heart bag is finished. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like and comment down below what you guys think. I love to hear from you guys. Until next time, paalam.